All right, guys, so today I have two ways on how to clean your silver. Well, one is a regular way and the other one is a magical silver cleaning fixer-upper type of way, but you guys are gonna like it. So if your silver is tarnished, if your silver has milk spot, fingerprints, whatever it may have, today I want to show you guys how to actually clean your silver up. And we're starting now. Thank you guys so much for watching another video from Urban Lifestyle. My name is Eli, and if you guys are new to the channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up. Find me on my social media platform, Urban Lifestyle 1989, and don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos. So what you guys are looking at right here, I have some silver coins right here, some 1 ounce, some 2 ounce, but they all have one thing in common. They all have tarnish, wear and tear, milk spots all on them. And you guys know my my 25 ounce bar silver, I had some rubber bands on them and it actually tarnished the silver. Now I found something to clean it up. The silver wipes, polish, and tarnish removal. Okay, now this thing works like a charm if you guys don't mind like scuffing up the silver. It may have a little bit of micro scratches on there. Now I'm gonna have the link to this down in the description below so you guys can, if you guys want to get it yourself, so you guys can check out the description so you guys can get that. But I want to see, will this actually clear up some of my coins and my bars? Now remember, this is going to be the first thing I use. There's two ways of actually, on this video, there's two ways to actually clean up your silver, but I'm going to be using the first way right here on this particular example right here. Now I have all the silver right here laid down that I want to clean up. I want to see if I can take off all these milk spot, tarnish spots, all on them. So what I'm going to do is, I showed you this on one of the unboxing I got, a call American Silver Eagle, that I'm going to see what can I do to change this up. So I'm going to get the wipes and I'm going to wipe it down a little bit and see how much I have to do to actually take off all the black spots, all the tarnish, all on that silver. Now one thing you also want to keep in mind, guys, is you want to make sure you don't do this to numismatics coin, because you're going to leave some micro tears on there. Now there's some details on there that I won't be able to get because I can't go deep inside the designs. All right, that'll be in the second method I'm going to show you. But look at that beauty. It looks all shiny. It looks way better than it did before. I'm gonna see if I can get a before and after picture for you guys to see. All right, but it looks way beautiful. It looks much more polished. Some people may like the antique look, but as for me, I like the more polished look. All right, but you guys comment down below. Let me know what you like. Do you like antique or polished? Or let me know what you think about this cleaning method here. But let's go to the next coin. All right, so the next coin is the Queen Beast. Now I'm going to take this through the same exact process that I did with the last coin. So remember, if you're more gentle with your coins and you don't want micro tears, I'll say wait till I show you guys the second cleaning method, all right? Because I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to micro tear, but for me, I don't really care about it. But the way you use this wipe is you just wipe it off, get in between all the gunk and stuff, and then you want to wipe it off, okay? Once you wipe it off, you have it all good. And I'll say make sure you use a better cloth than what I'm using right there. I think that will even damage it even more. But look how the finish looks. I mean, it looks more shiny. I mean, to be honest with you, I can't really see a difference. It's because it wasn't too much tarnish. It only had milk spots. But for me, I don't see no milk spots, so it do look good. Well, now that I'm looking back at the before and after, I do see that it polishes up real nice. So you guys let me know. All right, so now for the 25 ounce bar. I absolutely love this bar, but I absolutely hate that it has a lot of tarnish on it. It's like imperfection. So I'm gonna do the same process. I don't care about the micro tears. I just want a clean bar of silver. All right, that's all I want. I just want to make sure I have my silver all beautiful. Okay, now the wipes, if you guys want it, like I said before, the link is down in the description below. I get it from Amazon. I have the link there for you if you guys want it. It's a good cleaning method, but I do want to say the second method I'm going to show you guys is pretty much stuff you can use at home, okay? Now, as far as cost, I believe that I purchased these wipes for like $11 and it came with 2 of them, all right? So just check the link down below and you guys will see that. Now, with this bar here, you do have to go into deep details with it because there's a lot of open spots and there's some details that I can't get into, like the words that's on that little circular part, and even the creases inside the Atmex, the word, you know, where it says Atmex on it. It's hard to get, so I had to spend a lot of time on this particular bar right here. And you guys can see some of the tarnish is not coming out. Like I'm scrubbing as hard as I can, and it takes some time to actually take it out, but I see some of them coming out, but let's see how the end result looks after everything. All right, so remember, you want to wipe it down with the wipes, and then once you finish wiping it down, you want to take you want to take a cloth. I'll see a nice, smooth, clean cloth, so you guys can just wipe out all the chemicals from the wipes on there and just wipe it down for a good, clean finish. So you guys can see the finished product. Now, it does look way, extremely 10 times better than it did before. Now, there's some spots I couldn't get, like in between there, all in between the designs that I couldn't get in between. But it's still, I mean, it's way better than it did. So, all right. So now I do want to show you guys the before and after. Now you guys can see the before, look how bad it looked, and look how it looks now. I'll take some of those spots, and I'm going to also put it through the second process that I have here on this video. So make sure you watch that. All right, so I don't want to bother you guys on the details of me scrubbing the coin. So you guys can see this is a before and after. You guys can see the coins are looking real good with the wipes. All right, it looks real beautiful. All right, so now the second way to clean your silver with some household item. And I do want to give a very special shout out to Yankee Stacking. He's the one that put me on this, and you guys may have seen this method or you guys may have not. So here's some of the household items you're gonna need. You're gonna need some aluminum foil. You're gonna need some salt, and you're gonna need some water softener right there, okay? And also you're gonna need something to hold the silver, like something you can actually fit the silver in. You're gonna need some hot water, not so hot where you can't touch it, but hot enough, all right? You pour it all in there, and once you do all that, you add some salt, all right? To be honest with you, I don't know the measurements. Just make sure you feel good about it, okay? Like I'm doing right now, I'm just adding salt. I mean, come on, I mean, stop adding salt. All right, so after you get all that done and out the way, you want to add the water softener in there. All right, you just put it like the same thing with the salt, just eyeball it. All right, now once you do that, you want to make sure you get something to actually stir it all in. All right, you want to make sure you stir it nice and clean. Make sure the salt dissolves into the water. All right, and once you get all that out the way, you want to get some aluminum foil, and you want to put it in there. So we take the aluminum foil, you put it in there, and you want to make sure that the water is in there properly. Okay, so once you put it there, you tear it up, you put it in there, and then you place it inside. You want to make sure the water somehow gets on top of it. So some people like to use frying pans because the aluminum foil just sits in there. But once you get all that, to be honest with you, I have no idea what the aluminum foil does. All right, if you guys know, comment down below. Let me know. I don't know what the aluminum foil does. I'm just following directions right here. Now you take the coin and you put it in there, and you let it sit for like less than 10 seconds, and that's it. That's it. Like magic, it just disappears. Okay, just like magic. Once you let it sit for less than 10 seconds, you just automatically pull it out, and then the coin is clean. You may have to scrub off some of the dirt on it, but for the most part, most of it is clean. Now I know it looks like I'm actually spending more than 10 seconds on there, but to be honest with you, I just didn't believe it. Like I just couldn't believe the 10-second rule. So I was like, you know what, I'm leaving it in there just in case, you know, like it was a fluke. But the coin looks beautiful. Okay, now I didn't show you guys before how the coin looked, but I'm gonna show you guys with this one. But this one looks awesome. Now I'm gonna take that bar, the same bar I cleaned with the wipes that still have some marks that I really couldn't get into. I'm gonna put it in there, and let's see how that turns out. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that in there for maybe, I don't know, I honestly don't trust the 10 seconds, but on the display it said 10 seconds, but I really couldn't see it. So I put it in there a little bit longer, and I'm gonna take it out. I think I heated up the water a bit too much because I was scared to touch it, but now I'm taking out the silver, and you guys are gonna see how it looks. It's gonna be beautiful. Okay, now it's taken out, and honestly, when I looked at it, I don't see nothing. I mean, I see a little bit of it, but I just gotta scrape it off, and it looks nice. Like most of the stuff is gone. Okay, most of the stuff is gone. Once you wipe it off with a cloth, it's all gone. The bar is beautiful. It's like I first got it, minus the fingerprints I'm adding to it now, but it looks beautiful. Okay, and that's pretty much it, guys. I want to know, did you guys know about these methods? Comment down below, let me know. But guys, honestly, thank you guys so much for watching another video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys learned from this video. I do want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys that supports the channel, that really shows your appreciation. That really means a lot to me. I want to say thank you, very special shout out to all of you guys. But guys, thank you guys so much for watching another video from Urban Lifestyle. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, and have a wonderful day. That's why